Okay, good job, Kuya. Not yet, go. Go, go, go. Up. Lahat. Nakakuha na?
Babies, upo kayo ha. Para nagkakita sa inyo. Okay? Okay.
Here.
Nakahanap na yung egg. Sit down here.
No more na?
Balik na tayo dito sa mga chairs natin.
Sa bushes doon.
Okay?
Ito tama ni Lolo.
Kuha na ng eggs. Balik na po dito sa chairs. Okay, hindi ba ito your eggs na? Pero about 90 times 2. 48 eggs. All in all. Okay.
No more na? Just one?
Yeah.
Perfect.
One at one.
Is it?
Ano na, music? Music tayo, para na kaya? Music, habang they're looking for their eggs. Okay. Okay.
Go! You share the money. You share the money.
Yes. Share the money.
If we can buy ice cream, you buy one for me.
Yes. What did you get? Open it. What? Huh? Oh, and then what else? Oh, nice. You have to remove it and then you will give back the egg. Remove na. And then you will give back the egg. Aki, put it in your pocket. Oh, pop carefully, ah.
May mga pinis pa rin eh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get set. Go. Huwag masyado malayo, Lola. Huwag masyado malayo. Ate Julie, huwag masyado malayo. Tita Julie. Huwag masyado malayo. Okay.